Are you getting the unable to implement live update data error in eFootball on your PC? In this video, I'll show you how to fix the unable to implement live update data issue in eFootball on PC. So let's fix it right now. Solution 1. Clear Steam download cache. First, open up the Steam app on your PC, then click on Steam from the top left corner. Next, click on Settings. After that, click Downloads in the left sidebar. Now scroll down a little bit. Here, you will find the Clear Download Cache option. Now click on Clear Cache button next to it. Then click Confirm. After that, log in Steam again, and then launch eFootball game again. It will fix broken live update downloads. If still you are facing the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 2. Change Steam download region. Go to the Steam app on your PC, then click on Steam from the top left corner. Next, click on Settings. After that, click Downloads in the left sidebar. Here, you can see the option called Download Region. Now select Nearby Region from the drop-down option in the right. Then close the Steam app and open it up again. Relaunch eFootball game again. Solution 3. Allow eFootball through firewall. Click on the search bar in the bottom taskbar. Now type Windows Security. Then open it up. Here, click on Firewall and Network Protection. Now here you will find the option called Allow an app through firewall. So, click on it. Now in this list, make sure to check mark the eFootball Steam and Steam Web Helper, and then tap OK. Now restart your PC, and there you have it. Hope your issue is solved. Thanks for watching.